Hello, welcome back to Mhetre German Academy. Let's continue the lesson Greetings in German, Part 2 for A1. During the previous part of this lesson, we learnt the various greetings which could be used at different timings of the day. To watch Part 1, just click the link given in this video's description. Let's get ahead and learn some more interesting greetings. The first one that we are going to see is Hello. Hello. This greeting is a very common one in Germany. This is used while introducing oneself in German as well as greeting those people who are very close to you, such as your friends, family members, etc. Hello. Notice the difference in the pronunciation. The next greeting that we are going to learn is Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. This is the formal way of saying bye in German. Auf Wiedersehen literally means when we meet again, until we meet again. However, translation leads to incorrect foreign language acquisition. The formal way of saying bye in German is Auf Wiedersehen. The informal way of saying bye in German is Tschüss. Tschüss. This is a little difficult to pronounce owing to its different spelling as well as the U umlaut. What is this umlaut? What use is it? Learn about this gradually in a future video. There's a casual way of saying bye in German. Bis bald. Bis bald. This is the word or the greeting which is much more used amongst friends. Bis bald also means bye the casual way. So friends, let's have a quick review of what we have learned. The greeting to greet those people who are acquainted with you is Hello. The formal way of saying bye in German is Auf Wiedersehen. The informal way of saying bye is Tschüss. The casual way of saying bye in German is Bis bald. Keep practicing. Till the next time. Bis bald.